Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm cooking chicken stir fry and here's all the ingredient I need. Spaghetti, flour, garlic and ginger paste, chopped garlics and mixed vegetable fresh and one breast chicken, one small size onion, lemon juice, vinegar, chili sauce, oil and soya sauce. So I cut the chicken small pieces and I'm adding the garlic and ginger paste. Is 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste and 2 spoon of flour, all purpose flour, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm gonna mix it all. Give it a good mix. So it's done now. So in the pan I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon, more than a little bit, like 1.5 tablespoon of oil. I'm adding cooking oil. So the pan is hot. I'm gonna add the chicken now. So I'm gonna add all the chicken now. And try to separate all. It's in medium heat so it doesn't burn, so I'm just gonna mix it well. So I'm gonna just mixing and try to turn it as well so both sides get the same. It's about like 4 to 5 minutes you have to keep stirring. You don't have to, otherwise it might be burning. So it's after 4 minutes. So the chicken is all right now. So I'm just gonna add some chopped garlic, about 3-4 cloves of chopped garlic now. Now the onions, this small size fine chopped onions. So I'm trying to mix it all. I'm just gonna add salt, a teaspoon of salt as your taste. So the onion gonna get quickly cooked. When you add salt, it releases the water. So it's about after another 2 minutes. So I'm adding the soya sauce. It's 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and the chili sauce I'm adding 2 teaspoon of it. So as your taste, if you want more hot you could add. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar as well. So I'm gonna mix all now, and it smells nice. So give it a good mix. You could add fresh chili as well if you want more hot, but my children likes like this, so I'm not adding any green chili in there. So I'm adding all the vegetable now. It's all fresh, mix everything in there now. And it smells delicious and it does taste nice. So about after another about 4 minutes, that is, the all the vegetable gone soft. You don't want to lose your crunch in there, so I want to crunchy. So I'm gonna add the all the spaghetti that I boiled first. You need to break all the spaghetti, everything, mix it properly. So it's very quick dish. It's only gonna take you 7 to 10 minutes between that, and it's so easy to make it. So I'm just gonna add the fresh coriander now, and it's done. So I'm just gonna plate up now. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video, and if you do like, please click the like button and subscribe as well. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.